But first, we're going to go into this cave, and this is all part of that path that you take. This is cool, Roger. I don't know if you can see how high that is. It goes way up there. And we're getting ready to go in there with our golf cart. Welcome to the Lost Canyon Cave. Please keep your hands and feet inside the cart. Drive slowly and safely. And here we go. The views literally never ceased at the top of the rock Lost Canyon in Branson, Missouri. I highly recommend that you visit this attraction if you are in the area, and Branson is a wonderful place in itself. So what do you think about the top of the rock in Branson?
It's very pretty. It's relaxing.
Hey, I'm so glad that you came along with us on this journey to Branson, Missouri and the Top of the Rock Lost Canyon Nature Trail. We travel a lot, so be sure to subscribe all to our videos, and you can go with us to mountains, lakes, rivers, oceans, hiking. We love to get out and away. We both are full-time in the ministry and pastoring at the Beacon of Hope Pentecostal Church, but in between that, now that we are retired from our secular jobs, we spend our time going and visiting different places of attraction in the United States, and sometimes out of the United States. So stay tuned. And also, while you're in Branson, Missouri, a place we highly recommend to visit for its beauty, its scenery, its nature, so many attractions right in the town itself. But there is also the Sight and Sound Theater, which is where we went the evening after we went to the Lost Canyon. Sight and Sound Theater has many dramas, and they are so intense and just